Hi, I'm Dr. Terry Fossum. I'm a board certified veterinary surgeon. And hey, we just got asked to answer some really interesting questions by Business Insider. So I want to share those questions with you and we'll talk about how we answered them. So one of the questions that we got asked is, have we seen the role of pets in people's lives change over the years? So I've been a veterinary surgeon for 30 plus years. So I've seen a lot of change. And this is asking, how do people interact with their pets as millennials versus maybe other groups? And are people thinking of their pets more as children, maybe? So I think there's definitely been a change during the time that I've been a veterinarian. For many people, pets are not just their companion anymore. It's true. They're truly a part of their family. And what we've seen in veterinary medicine is that the expectation of pet owners has really driven the quality and the offerings that we as veterinarians provide to pets. So what I mean by that is people want their dogs to get the same treatments that they get. So if they might get a chemotherapeutic, they want to know if a chemotherapeutic is available for their dog when it gets cancer. So no doubt, I think that has influenced how veterinarians work. And it's a great thing. I mean, we love being pushed to do better. And I think that pet parents are doing that. The other thing that we've seen, and this is recent history, is COVID-19 changed the way people interact with their pets because many people were at home all day with their pets when that normally may not have been the case. And so I think people and their pets oftentimes have gotten even closer. And now we're dealing with issues like separation anxiety when people are going back to work. So we are definitely seeing some recent changes as well. The other question that we were asked is, what advice do we have for pet owners who want to provide the best care for their pets without falling into the trap of really overindulging their pets or humanizing their pets? And so it's really crucial that you understand and respect a dog's natural needs and behaviors. So, we love our pets. I love my pets. I have two dogs. But it's important to remember that they're animals. They still have their own instincts, their own dietary requirements, and their social behaviors are different than ours. So training is really key. You and your dog will be much happier if you do some basic training, especially when they're young, if you have that opportunity. I know that's not always an opportunity if you rescue an older dog, and I appreciate all of you who do that. But giving them a sense of security and trust and interacting with them as much as you can is really going to help. And then another question that we were asked is, do we see ethical concerns in our industry as people continue to anthropomorphize their pets, meaning they are assigning human characteristics and emotions to their pets. And we all do that. I mean, I have an 8-month-old and his name is Marcus, but I think he responds to baby more than to Marcus because that's what I called him because we got him when he was a baby. But we can take it too far. There's no question. So one of the things that we don't want to have happen as people humanize their pets is maybe have them undergo maybe procedures that they don't need or excessive grooming. It's cute to see dogs dressed up in clothes, but that can be overdone as well, depending on the dog. So it's really important to get to know your dog and to be careful. Remember that they're dogs. They may be your best friend, but they are still dogs and you need to treat them as such. So when you're walking them outside, give them a chance to sniff. Give them a chance to use the mental stimulation that's really natural for dogs. And I feel as a veterinarian, it's really my responsibility to educate pet owners about their dog's true needs, both from a biological and a behavioral perspective. So take care of your pet. They are your best friend. Love them like they are. But remember that they're still a dog.